What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and welcome back to another episode of Sorry for My Absence, but let me explain. So in the middle of Vlogmas and everything, I got sick and I let it derail my progress, and for that I am sorry. And I know I promised you guys a Christmas giveaway. I have not forgotten about it. I do still have it. The video will be going up by the end of this week, so it's just going to be a Christmas New Year's giveaway, and I hope you guys forgive me for that. I'm sorry, but you know how it is whenever you're on a roll doing something and then something happens to, you know, throw you off your progress, and it just kind of, it's all downhill from there. But here we are again. In this video, we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. I have gone ahead and opened the box, and I did use some of the products already, which is what is on my face now. I will include the eyeshadow tutorial to the side over here while we're talking about the eyeshadow palette. So this month's BoxyCharm box was actually rather large, and that's because we did get an eyeshadow palette and a couple of other things. So the eyeshadow palette that I used for this look and that came in the box was the Violet Voss I Love You Forever. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So the colors are all very like earthy tones, which I love. I was kind of upset because I couldn't use my green screen that I've been using lately. Shout out to my sister for getting me that for Christmas. But you know, with the greens, you can't really use a green screen or else it'll change the eyeshadow. So yeah, this is the palette that we got this month and that I used. So first of all, I'm ahead of myself. It's been a minute since I've done an unboxing. So this month's theme is Fresh Start, obviously, because it's January. So this Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette is $34 retail. So it says that this is a new launch, which, you know, is interesting because sometimes they've been giving me old palettes lately, but this one is new, which I actually really do love it. I love the greens. I've been really into green eyeshadow lately. So yeah, I'm really into it. So the next thing that we got this month is this Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil Free Gel Moisturizer. Now it is out of the box because I did use it also today. In the tutorial video, you can see that I used it before I started anything. So the retail value of this is $38 also. So it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving the skin feeling greasy, which is true, but my skin doesn't feel greasy. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. And it just disappeared. That's so weird. Okay, so it doesn't feel oily at all, and it actually did make my skin feel really nice. It doesn't really have a smell. I would say it smells kind of fresh, if anything, but it's like not a strong fragrance. I approve. Next, we have the Avant Skincare. This is the Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. I'm gonna go ahead and read this because I'm not really sure what micellar water is supposed to do. But this retails at $90. Jesus Christ. So it says, infused with replenishing ingredients, the micellar water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup. A micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. Oh, that's what it does. So it's like a makeup remover. You see how it has like that foam? I guess you're supposed to shake it up before you use it. Okay, let's see if we're gonna have a smell with this. This actually smells really good. Okay, so this one values $90, like I said. So Avant Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water, $90. But we got it in the box for $25. My box is the base box. I know that there's like a premium and like all the other stuff. No, sis is doing the $25 a month. Okay. Now we have the Seraphine Botanicals Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask. So I don't normally use lip masks, but let's see. Let's open it and see. I did not use this one today, so this is my first time looking at it. So this is what it this is what it looks like. It's very tiny. It does say cruelty free and vegan. This is $25, which isn't bad. It says boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work together to keep lips chapped free, soothed, and plumped all at once. So that's cool. It plumps your lips and it, like, you know, keeps them from being chapped, which in the winter time we need that. So again, that one was $25. And now this, I loved this. I did use this in my eye look today. So this is the Queen Studio Dragon Duo. This is $28, which I would pay in a heartbeat. So it says modern day Boss Babe approved with an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, Dragon Liner pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye, created for beginners, loved by pros. So yes, this right here is a winner. The packaging is really cute. I'm not really sure who this person is. I guess she's like the creator, I don't know, but I mean, if it is, sis did a good job with this formula. I'm trying to get out the box. I'm sorry, y'all, that noise. I put the other ones, I didn't put the other ones back in the box for you, but I put this one back. Okay, so this is what, it's a felt tip liner on this one. And then the other one, I use that one for my waterline, for the kohl liner, and it just looks like a regular pencil, but it just glides on so smooth. And the felt tip, it was like super wet. That's what she said. But you know, sometimes whenever you get one of these with the felt tip does not stay wet, and it's like you gotta constantly like do like this, or like even leave it upside down overnight if you're going to use it the next day, because it does not stay wet. But this one was actually really nice, so I approve of this. Also, this was $28 again. Okay, so altogether everything that was in the box was about $215, which we only paid $26 a month with tax. So in my opinion, I got a really good deal this time. I really feel like because I did cancel Boxy Charm for a minute, so I feel like maybe they're just trying to redeem themselves. Maybe not, they probably don't care, but it was like I was getting like the worst stuff over and over, but now I'm getting better things. So I would have to say that my favorite thing out of the palette is the All of You Forever Violet Voss palette. I really love the greens, the colors, they just went on like butter. They smooth on really nicely. And the Queen Dragon Duo eyeliners, those were bomb. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this boxing. I hope you forgive me for my absence, but I am back now, and I swear your giveaway video will be up later on this week. If you have not already, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram at MalloryAlexis, and you'll see my face in the next video.